Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for March 2023. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution designed to delegate user management into the organization. For example, delegate group management, delegate distribution group management, delegate share management. It will help ICT departments to prevent accumulation of licenses and access rights. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the March 2023 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the March 2023 release. We have 3 new features in this release. The first new feature is direct links to delegated forms. With this new feature, you will be able to link directly to a delegated form based on a unique URL. Our second new feature is disable form exit when clicking outside a pop-up window. In previous versions of HelloID, pop-up windows would close immediately when clicking outside of the pop-up. With this new feature, a confirmation modal is shown if changes have been detected. Our final new feature is add support for double-click in dual list. You will now be able to move a dual list item from left to right or the other way around, not only by using the existing buttons, but also by simply double-clicking on the item itself. Let's demonstrate these new features. We have opened the Service Desk overview. Please note that the browser URL only contains the link to this overview itself. To demonstrate our first new feature, we can simply click on one of these delegated forms. For example, we can click on the Release Demo 2023.03. When this form is opened, the browser URL gets updated, containing a unique link to this delegated form. You can use this direct link to share with your colleagues, or to place it on your internet website, for example, to link directly to this form. This form also contains a dual list, which we have updated to support the double-click event. Items in a dual list can be moved from left to right or from right to left by clicking on one of these corresponding buttons. Now you can also simply double-click on one of the options to move it to the other side of the dual list. The actual form itself is shown in a pop-up window, or a so-called modal. We have changed the closing behavior of this modal, including other places where such modals are used. This affects the product requests made from the self-service product overview, or a product request made from the Managed Users or Managed Products page. Because we have changed the form details themselves by selecting values in this dual list or selecting one of the items in the drop-down menu, the modal itself will not close directly when you click outside of the modal, or when you click on the closing button or press the escape button on your keyboard. Instead, a confirmation modal will be shown, asking you to either close the modal anyway or to not close it. When you click on the Do Not Close button, you will be directed back to the form itself, containing all the data. When you click on the Close Anyway, the form and the modal are closed and you can navigate to the application. Let's navigate to Management and Manage Users. Here we will select Demo User 01 to demonstrate closing the modal from this perspective. We will request the product called Release Demo 2023.03. This product does not contain any form, but there is an optional comment box. Whenever you enter some text here, for example, HelloID, and you click outside of the modal, the confirmation modal is shown again, asking you to close it or not close it. If you decide not to close it, you are returned back to the request itself. And when you close it anyway, you will be directed back to the Manage Users page. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.